Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the devices. Make sure your iPhone runs a supported iOS and your Apple TV is powered on. Once Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled, sign into the same Apple ID on both devices so they trust each other. Next, add the remote to Control Center if it isn't there already. This places the control at your fingertips. Tap the remote icon, then select your Apple TV from the list to start the pairing flow. Follow on-screen prompts to authorize. Once paired, learn the controls. You use the touch surface to navigate, swipe for movement, tap to select, and press and hold for context menus. Make sure you can access playback buttons, volume control, and Siri from the remote screen. If a button is missing, go to Settings on the Apple TV and enable remote features. Also, calibrate touch sensitivity under Accessibility on your iPhone when gestures feel too fast or sluggish. This improves precision and prevents accidental inputs during streaming. To finish, verify everything responds. Navigate menus, play a video, and try Siri to confirm low latency. If pairing fails or commands don't register, unpair and repair the remote. First, restart your iPhone and Apple TV, then repeat the pairing sequence. Make sure both devices are on the same network and that background app refresh isn't blocking processes. One key troubleshooting tip: if control remains unreliable, reset network settings on the iPhone. This often clears Bluetooth or Wi-Fi conflicts and restores consistent control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.